epidermis is also susceptible. And the last one, we just mentioned, we also want to emphasize here to you, is coagulase. So coagulase test, we also put the differentiate that. How we differentiate that? Staphylococcus aureus is positive. Positive, which means clotting of blood plasma or blood cell, just say. Staphylococcus saprophyticus and epidermis are negative. Both no clotting. So we could use blood agar, medical salt agar, novel Gaussian coagulase test to differentiate these three important Staphylococcus aureus from microbiology standpoint. It is a very quick test. We could do that. Okay? Now, let's have another final draw for you. We talk about Streptococcus, is that right? And Staphylococcus. We put everything together in a big picture. And we could do a review for you, even right now, and then you can understand it very well. So how we do that? Okay, I have Streptococcus. I have Staphylococcus. How we do the first identification? Catalase test. If catalase test is negative, Streptococcus. Catalase test is positive, Staphylococcus. Then Streptococcus, we have a different group. Alpha hemolytic group. What are the two bacteria there? Streptococcus ammoniae and Viridine strep. How we differentiate them? Opticam. That is P-disc. Viridine streptococcus, resistant. Streptococcus ammoniae, susceptible. That's alpha hemolytic. Okay, second one, beta hemolytic. What are the two bacteria? Streptococcus pyogenes and Streptococcus agalactiae. How we differentiate it? A-disc. What's the components of the A-disc? Basic tracing. And the Streptococcus agalactiae, resistant. This guy, pyogenes, susceptible. Now we're going to say, how about the gamma hemolytic? Which means nothing happened. Enterococcus, SPP. Okay? Okay, now, Staphylococcus, we just said. Right here. Is that good? That's a study guideline for you to differentiate the Streptococcus, alpha hemolytic, beta hemolytic, gamma hemolytic, enterococcus, and we mentioned enterococcus long time ago is also Streptococcus. Then we talk about Staphylococcus. How we differentiate that? Easy test, the catalase test. We will do catalase test in the lab in biochemistry test later on. Then Staphylococcus origin. using blood agar, mannitol short agar, noble bells, and the coagulase test to differentiate that. And I know you may not be easy to understand at this moment. So what I do, I will put after class reading material on the eCampus you're going to read. And for the exam, you also will be preparing for some of the case study for you to study first. And we go over all these case studies. Then when you have all these bacteria put into a story, then you understand what it really talks about. Okay, so that's how we go. Next week we're going to talk about cross-training. It's another big topic, talk about cross-training.